Wait. Look.
The rain. It's raining.
It's hitting! Sideways rain. Move.
Goodbye.
Mason, come on. Come on with me. Sebastian, come on.
I'm gonna get cold. I'm getting cold.
Come on, come with the camera.
No.
Why not?
I don't want. It's cold.
You don't what?
Water.
Why not? Lazy. Oh God. Oh, look at this. Right, let me go deeper into the rain. Oh shoot. It's cold out here. I need a freaking blanket. I got on the lens. Oh shoot. Whoa! It's getting all over the seat. Oh shoot. Sebastian, come out here.
It's freezing out there.
I know.
That's why you want me to come out there?
Yeah. Let me see it. Ow. Whatever. Where's the other blanket that was?
Oh my God!
Okay, you ready, Mason?
Yes.
Wait, let me see your shirt. Let them read the shirt. Happiness is pancakes. Happiness is pancakes. Let's adventure. I don't want to go there.
I am.
Go, Mason. Mason, go. Was it cold?
Yes.
I don't want to go in it.
Why do you have
Oh,
to?
shoot. Oh.
I see a drip. I see a drip right there.
freezing.
There's so many drips. Watch out. You know what?
Okay, I don't want to get my phone wet.
YOLO it.
Was it freezing?
YOLO it.
No! Don't YOLO it! Stupid! I need some shoes on. I need some.
some milk.
I think my brother needs some milk because he said he does. Okay, let's do this. Let's go into my room. Apologies, my room is very messy. So, it is my bathroom. I'm trying to find it. Trying to find something. Let me find my shoes. Where's the freak of my shoes? Where is my shoes? Where's my shoes? Oh, I found shoes. Wait, here's one. Where's the second one? I found one, but the power is not out, see? What? He needs some milk? You know I'm still recording, right? And look, these are my awesome new markers. Okay, let's go outside. Me and my brother are venturing outside to save my little brother.
His bullet is like frozen. He's going down the slide of doom. Oh, thank you!
No, don't go down the water freaking slide. What is that? The freak? Thought we cleaned here.
I don't want to go down the
Me neither. I don't want to go down it either. Oh, here's our precipitation things. They fell. Oh!
Ow!
Our backyard is a freaking mess.
You ready, guys? Yes.
But it's huge.
I'm going up fully. It's going fully.
Yeah.
It's going down for real. Ready? It's going down for
Don't go down the freaking slide! Do it again! Mason, you do it. Wait, I gotta get down though. I want. I just sat in some water. That was not pleasant. What?
Go in there for real. Ow.
Good job, Sebastian.
Oh, God. Mud.
Mason, come down.
There's mud, though.
Get down, though. Come on down.
Oh.
Shoe. Where's your freaking shoes? Where are your shoes?
I have them.
Come on, let's get inside. It's really... Freak, my shoe. Okay, we're running. Running through the 6. Really?
Get him off.
You locked us out.
Get him off the bed. You'll get really warm. I need under the blanket. Everyone get under Mom's blanket.
It's freezing outside. I'm sorry for shaking.
Lily.
It's freaking
Get
cold.
What are you guys doing? Are you wet?